Good day to everyone. I'm Paul from Alligator-PDR Tools. I'm going to show you our straight interchangeable tip tools. Here we have versatile one-bend straight tool with changeable tip. It has two different working angles, 110 degrees and other 70 degrees. This one has 90 degrees thread. Tools are made of 12mm stainless hardened steel and wear length are 100 centimeters. Last one has 45 degrees thread. Now take a look at straight tool set with changeable tips. This changeable tip set is available at our online store. You will find a link below. Now I will show you how to screw those tips into straight tools. Here we have 10mm changeable tip with plastic cap. You can screw tip on one side. Now you have 110 degrees working angle. Or you can put it on other side of tool and you will have 70 degrees working angle. This little trick makes this tool more versatile. Here we have 8mm changeable tip with plastic cap. I will put it on 90 degrees tool. In this 6 pieces tip set are included 3mm, 4mm, 5mm, 6mm, 8 and 10mm diameter tips. This tool has tip angle. This tool is 45 degrees angle. It's like other regular tools with changeable tips. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Bye. Also, visit our online store for more exclusive PDR tools.